Hi guys! I was looking at the items at the dollar store and I found a festive shaped tray, but the color was, well, too dark, too shiny. I will be Mod Podging it with a pretty napkin to give it some life. Join me in this transformation and I think that you will want to try it too. Because the napkin that I have is so transparent and the tray is so dark, I have to give this tray a couple coats of paint. When you're finished painting, you should have none of the green showing through. If you have a 2-ply napkin, make sure you take one of those layers off. I started at the top of the tray and working my way to the other edges. And it's perfectly okay if you have gaps. You can fill that in with extra napkin pieces. So you're brushing a layer of Mod Podge now over the napkin. A layer of Mod Podge under and a layer of Mod Podge over. Let it dry completely and then you can rip the edges off. Next, you're going to take a nail file and file up and down until the edges are a little smoother, so that it looks like this. The filing should only take you a minute or two. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be covered in ribbon. Attach your ribbon with hot glue gun, working a small section at a time, carefully following the shape of your tray. I love seeing the Christmas words peeking through the ornaments, and it's such a happy visual when I come through the door. This whole transformation took me under $4, and you can really go in any direction. I went a little traditional, but you can go coastal, you can go boho. It all depends on the pattern of your napkin. Please take a second to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.